Alright, welcome back to vlog.
Today is December
9. December 9. My hair's wet. It's rainy. I had to do some things for the car. My wife, okay, she's ready for the vlog today. Alright, so we're going to where?
To get my
To get her NBI request, clearance, whatever you call it. Alright, so it's 2:20, December 9. Alright.
And look at that, guys.
Ito,
It's
ito.
raining. It's raining in Manila.
Kabang lalamig.
Okay.
And my hair got wet. Had to do a couple things for the car.
Okay, cut.
Namimiss mo na ang bazaar.
Medyo lang.
Yung sinasabi natin magbabazar tayo one of these days. Umulan.
One of these days, iba-vlog po namin yan para makita niyo po kung gaano kaganda ang kailaw ng Kalamba.
Ang aking poging pinsan.
Ano yung pinost?
Hindi.
That's our poking
That's-
pinsan.
That's playing, Kuya Junes. Okay, we're just watching this low budget film called The Toy Box. It's so good.
I do.
This is super yummy.
I got dressed. I was ready to go.
Let's wanna make you drink more coffee. Oh, nairaos ko yun. Ay, nako. So, yun lang. Nanood po kami ng movie.
Alright, so it ended up raining quite a lot, so yeah. We didn't open the coffee shop. There's really no point to open the coffee shop if it's raining like this. We're not gonna have any customers. Alright, so yep. That's it for our coffee shop for today. We're not really gonna have any customers because yep. Maybe tomorrow. I'll just leave the tarp on so it doesn't get wet over here. Alright. Bakit ito mo guys, nagpulis naman pero hindi naman ako natakot lapitan.
Hindi mo nang katakot-takot.
Nakakatakot sana yan. Kainan guys.
Yun lang.
Alright guys, so we didn't really end up doing anything today other than getting my wife's NBI clearance. So yeah. It rained all day, so that means no coffee shop when it's raining all day. So we just watch TV. Gonna be another unproductive vlog.